a 6-day little adventure Gulf Island vacation. Have a Stryker RIB LX 250 with us. We're towing it behind us. We got it set up with the Mercury Avator 7.5. Tonight, we have no plan, so we're gonna head over to the Gulf Islands. We're gonna go check out Montague Harbour, see if we can get a mooring ball. If not, we maybe will anchor up there for the night, or possibly Ganges and Salt Spring. Across from us, so hopefully we can avoid it going to the Gulf Islands. It looks really nice that way, and not so nice now. So that was a little bit of a factor on what we were going to do today, was weather. So it looked like it was raining towards Desolation Sound and sunny towards the Gulf Islands, so we're heading this way.
Made it to Keats Island, and this is our third time going on a mooring ball, and it went really well. I wish I could have shown you guys, but we're in the middle of trying to figure it out.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. Anyways, so we're having a celebratory beer because we arrived. Cheers. Wait. Cheers.
Well, it was a really nice crossing we had today. And now we're gonna head over to, we're gonna try to get into Smitty's Oyster Bar. And that's over there. That's Gibson's over there. And we are staying in Plumper's Cove for the night. So we had a good look at the winds. Tomorrow looks a bit rougher than we would like. So today the crossing was incredible. So we towed our Stryker RIB LX 250. We run a 2-part towing bridle, but we found that honestly, if on the rigid hull, if you hook to just the center tow point, more like the winch line point, it works better, I feel, than if you have one on side to side. Side to side, it kind of pulls one side and then pulls the other side, and it kind of moves it a little bit more than we would like it. It's fine, but after about a month of towing now, This is my preferred method to tow. So I just picked up this strap off Amazon. I put them both to the center line. There is a redundancy and safety there as well. And I just run, for now, I've just run this. This is like a rope for inflatable toys, essentially like tubes. We have a brand new swim grid being made for our boat. So you can see we have no swim grid. Sad, very sad. However, we have a new swim grid being made right now, and that's going to be about a 4-foot swim grid. And we're gonna have an electric davit system on there. So we're gonna be able to put up to an 11, 12-foot boat on that swim deck. So super excited to do that. We wanna run some coastal rivers and anchor up somewhere, find a river to run up, and go explore the whole West Coast and work our way up to the North Coast. So something to look forward to in the future. So guys, we're gonna head on over to Smitty's. We have our little Merc 7.5 electric motor. So we'll see how this thing holds up doing this little cross. And it's blowing up in here now too. It's not too bad. Maybe blowing 10 or 10 to 15, but should probably be about it. We're hoping an hour to cross, maybe less.
We're on our way now to that island. Doesn't look far.
No, and it's not.
We're in a little
It's not too far. It's blowing up like kind of right at us right now. So, I mean, it's not bad. It's just one of those things.
I tried to book a reservation at Smitty's for some yummy oysters. So cross your fingers that we get in, because I tried to make a reservation and nobody answered the phone, and then I left a message and then they said if you don't get a call back, you don't have a reservation. So we're gonna wing it. Hopefully they have some empty tables or a table for 2.
We got our Avator. So right now we're going 5 kilometers an hour. It's saying we have an estimated range of 10 kilometers doing this speed, of course. So right now we have a 92% battery life, and our estimated time running right now is 2.1 hours. So we'll probably stick to this speed just so we have and we're going right into the wind. So it is blowing. I mean, it's not blowing hard, but it's not dead calm by any means.
What are you eating?
3 different kinds of oysters. He recommended, I'm not sure where they're all from. There's like some bigger ones, some small ones, and some medium ones. So I like that. There's a little bit of everything in here.
And some sausage.
You gotta have your sauce. So.
What do we got here?
Seared scallops,
Yeah.
halibut fritters,
Yeah.
and prawns. Everybody's getting younger.
Hey, Jared, what was your favorite dish?
The scallops, for sure.
Hey, the scallops were my favorite too. They were pretty good. Our boat but on a boat, it's so deceptive. So, and we're also going.
We have 51 minutes of rundown.
We'll be back. We are halfway across. It was really good. I would go back there
It was
again.
shockingly good.
And everybody that was at the table was like, this was the best food I've ever had. Every time I come to Smitty's, I have a good time. So check it out.